Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SHINTYA VIVIANITA Dwi Asmawati from Chemical Engineering of Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta. My student identification number 1901007. I am going to read my essay. The title is The Role of Engineering in the Impact of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 on the Indonesian Sugar Industry. The time in the technological era like today are growing faster and faster from day to day, month to month, and the next year. Indirectly, the use of this technology has increased sharply. The emergence of technology certainly provides many benefits for human survival. This technological era in the world is called the Industrial Revolution, where several countries in the world have entered the 5.0 industrial revolution, while in Indonesia itself is still running the Industrial Revolution 4.0. The development of technology makes every sector that is affected by change. Everything runs faster, easier, and more efficiently. We can see that almost all sectors have undergone major change in the form of conversion of human power to machine power, cutting processing time and increasing the quality and quantity of product. However, on the other hand, technological development have resulted in decreased employment opportunities. This is supported by statements made by the McKinsey Global Institute, which predict the industrial revolution could eliminate around 800 million jobs due to replace of human power by robots. Plantation is one of the sectors that is affected by technological development in Indonesia, where the plantation sector is expected to be able to utilize digital technology in this development process. One of the goals of the 4.0 industrial revolution in the plantation sector is to increase plantation productivity effectively and efficiently. The plantation sector in Indonesia is very broad, one of which is the sugar industry. With the 4.0 revolution, this is an opportunity for the sugar industry to increase competitiveness. Currently, the domestic sugar industry is facing quite complex problems. These problems are not only at the on-farm level, but also on the off-farm side. Commodity or market dualism and inefficient trading system. As the result, the level of efficiency and productivity of the sugar industry is low and uncompetitive. In addition, import problem, stock availability, and other matters are related to regulation that are considered ineffective and inefficient. These various things are serious problems that can affect the competitiveness of the national sugar industry. President Director of PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia, Persero, BDD Prasetyo, said the various problems faced by the national sugar industry at this time were still possible to find solutions, and the role of technology in facilitating connectivity and access to big data, which is one of the characteristics of Industry 4.0, can use as a tool to make the sugar industry more effective and efficient so as the increased competitiveness. To deal with the sugar industry 4.0, sugarcane cultivation must be developed with an integrated system from upstream to downstream through the use of the Internet of Things or IoT, artificial intelligence or AI, and insight to go beyond the sugar industry. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out operational innovation in the sugarcane industry, both on farm and off farm, and other aspects outside the sugar industry. In addition, the cooperation of various parties is also needed, namely education through farmer assistance. A student in the engineering department and as agent of change in Indonesia, we are required to be able to advance to nation in the future to overcome all the problems that occur in Indonesia with the potential that we have. To deal with the problem of the impact of the 4.0 industrial revolution on the plantation sector, which will be carried out, namely developing the latest technologies such as drone-based crop survey technology to nutrient monitoring with near-infrared cameras or NIR, which has now become a new breakthrough in precision plantations to enter the revolutionary era. Industry 4.0 in order to compete in the international market. This has been clarified through the Global Competitiveness Report in an annual report published by the World Economic Forum. Alright, that is my essay that I have present. Hopefully it is useful. Sorry if there is any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.